At Indue, our goal is to work and keep you working. In this video, we show our tile and grouting process. Do you have bad grout lines? Are you missing bricks due to chemical corrosion? Indue's Time and Materials Maintenance Division is here to help. We will work with you and your team to determine what tile is bad and if we can improve by regrouting or if it is in need of full tile replacement. Upon determining the bad tile, we will cut around the perimeter of the area. Then we will jackhammer out the loose tile. In order to provide a seamless continuation of the existing and new brick, our crew staggers the tile while installing. After the tile has properly set, we will install the epoxy grout.